Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can get any Sims 4 DLC for free using only your mobile device, whether you are an Android user or iOS user. So I'm just going to be flipping my camera screen over and I'm going to record my own phone so that you guys can see how it works and how you can download and install it for yourself in your own mobile device. So you'll be able to follow along step by step. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I'm on my phone here now and I'm gonna first show you the app so that you can see how easy it is to use. So it's the Sims 4 code generator one over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it and just to show you guys. So this is what it looks like, and then up here what you have is the platform, so you can select whichever platform you have. And then here you have the DLC options and you can also select whichever you want. So I already have my platform selected, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click the first option. So I'm going to go ahead and click the generate code here, and then immediately it generates my code, so I can use that code and redeem that code for my game. And that's basically all that you got to do. It's pretty simple. So if you want to be able to do that, let's go ahead and continue. So first of all, iOS users, we need to head to our settings first, but if you're using Android, you don't need to worry about these steps. So once we are in settings, we're going to click battery. And we're just going to make sure that we have low power mode turned off. If not, just go ahead and click the slider and turn it off. And also try to make sure you have at least 10% battery in your device. Now heading back to settings, we're going to click general and then background app refresh up here again, and just select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, whichever of the two you prefer. Just make sure that you do not have the off option selected. And now heading back to general, we're going to click about. And then here we just want to confirm that we have at least iOS 11 to make sure that we can download and it will be compatible with our device. So if you don't, just make sure that you upgrade your iOS version before you proceed. And of course, anything above iOS 11 is good to go. Now heading back to our main settings, we're going to head down to Safari. And then we're going to go all the way down to advanced. And then here we just want to make sure that we enable JavaScript. So go ahead and click this letter till it's green, just like that. And that way we can make sure that we will download and install our app without any issues. All right, and that's basically it for our settings. We can just exit out of there. And now for everyone, both Android and iOS, what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and open up our